We're gonna try this. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm driving right now, and we're gonna try it. So, I don't know. My brother got a car. Whatever. I don't care. I do care, but it's whatever. I don't know. This is weird. This is really weird. I'm talking to nobody. Well, sort of. I feel like I'm talking to nobody, but I'm not. So, I don't know. I figure Tyler's the only one who watches these videos, at least for right now. So, hi Tyler. What's up? I don't know. Sitting in the light, really bored. I slept until 2, and now it's 4:30. I think I'm just gonna go back to sleep. I don't know. That work? Cool? Yeah. Okay. This thing's like childproof. Okay. Get it open. It's so small. What's this? This big of a box for that. Ooh. Came with a pin. It'll focus. I don't know if it will or not. It is. On here. Because I want to. I don't know if you can hear me either. If not, oops. Yay! Our gauges the other 2 weeks ago came with bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. That was awesome. I have no idea what size they are either. Obviously, they're bigger than the other ones. That was bright. I was blinded by a red light. So, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Talking to about nothing. I don't know what to talk about either. Like, have absolutely no idea. I'm playing Sims right now. It's really fun. This is how I spend my day. Pretty much. So, yup. One of my lights burned out too. It's really dark in here. I don't know. Got my schedule today. I have Thursday off. I don't know. Trying to figure out modeling. But that's not happening. So whatever. It's getting to the point where it's like it's not fun anymore. It's just not fun. So whatever. I don't know. I don't know a lot apparently. Alright, well, whatever. This is gonna be hard. And I'm sorry if I bore you. Yep. Awesome. So much fun.
Now this is very serious, okay? Right now, I don't care what shape you're in, I don't care who you are, I don't care how cool you think you are. Right now, as a team, I want us all to get down and do 5 push-ups. Don't be sitting here and be like, oh, I'm not. No, there's people around. I might be embarrassed. Right now, everybody, let's go. 5 push-ups. Get on the floor. It's easy. Push yourself away from the desk. Get off, set your laptop down. You can lay your laptop on the ground. If you have a computer, just leave it up there. You can still hear me. Here we go. Together. If you have to do them on your knees like this, that's fine, but just try. If you don't try, you'll never get anywhere in life, okay? We ready? Count them off. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Nobody's looking at you weird. Trust me. 4, 5. Did it. 5 push-ups. I have a lot of work before I can do 100. All right?
That was
Here
awesome.
we go. Shape up Shay Denver.